What do you guys think about this piping? Hold up. That's real level though, right? What the hell? Yeah. Check valve. I just love this kind of stuff. I mean, just the sound of the pumps alone, just oh man, what a beautiful sound. That could have, I don't know if that's a union job there, but that pipe is still good too. This is the best one here. Heat exchanger plate. I left out on that last multi-stack chiller maintenance. So you want to take a good look at these, at all the controls. Like for instance, you see this? Start seeing stuff like this. That needs to go. Don't you just love this sound? Take a look at that. That needs to go. That one is good, but gotta go through all the controls, make sure everything is up to par. But and they're really simple to work on, really. They're not that difficult. That's all that's in the box. Take a look at these compressors. Old school jumbo. See if I get you a model number. So they're 15 ton. So 15, 15, that's 30. 60, 90, 120, 150, 150. We got 300 tons of cooling just with these two modules. Pretty awesome, no? So, let's take you around here. Look at all the new stuff that has been installed. These are boilers. Hey, Steve Lav, come over here and fix this guy. This is a steam oil burner. Oil. That one is also oil burner. And those are the new ones. These two are steam. And they don't even use them anymore. They're just as backup. And these guys are hydronic heating. And these are gas, natural gas. Very nicely done. I gotta give them credit. Because the piping looks beautiful. Everything just phenomenal. Look at that. I'll take you guys around here. Maybe we'll just take a look at this piping. Fabulous, fabulous piping. Beautiful work. I mean, you gotta give where credit is due. Give credit where it's due. Look at that. I mean, nice and straight. Look at these welds. Pretty good, man. They did a fantastic job. Just wanted to show you guys that. And that's about it, boys. Take care, brush your hair.